Hello there, it's Ty with WTI, and this here is my husband's favorite hair product. It's OSIS Dust It. And what is great about this, it's perfect for people who have thinner hair and when you want to add some volume. The texture of it's very powdery, and then you just can work it a little bit in your hands and then you add it in your hair. Of course, my hair is not the perfect solution for this, and that's why I'm showing it on his hair.
Maybe the best way to describe this is modeling wax in a powdery form. So you add it in your fingers, then it gets a little bit sticky, and you work it in your hair, and then it gives the same results as hair wax does, but looks much cooler and smoother and gives that nice texture and matte look on hair that has been thinning.
He loves this product, and that's why I love it too. And we go through these many bottles a year. But that, of course, is just my point of view.